Are you tired of the constant ringing or buzzing sound in your ears? If so, you may be suffering from tinnitus. In this video, we will explore the top natural remedies for tinnitus relief. These tried and tested methods have helped thousands of people find relief from their symptoms. Stay tuned to discover effective ways to manage and reduce tinnitus naturally. One of the key factors in managing tinnitus is maintaining a healthy diet. Certain foods can aggravate tinnitus symptoms, while others can help reduce inflammation and improve overall ear health. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, into your diet. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods as they can increase tinnitus symptoms. Stick to a well-balanced diet to support your body's natural healing process. Sound therapy is a popular and effective way to alleviate tinnitus symptoms. By introducing soothing sounds into your environment, you can distract your brain from the constant ringing. White noise machines, gentle music, or nature sounds can be beneficial. You can also try using earphones or hearing aids that generate low-level sounds to mask the tinnitus. Experiment with different types of sound therapy to find what works best for you. Stress can worsen tinnitus symptoms, so it is important to find effective ways to manage stress. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, or meditation. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress levels. Take time for self-care activities that you enjoy, such as reading, taking a bath, or spending time in nature. By reducing stress, you can minimize the impact of tinnitus on your daily life. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat various health conditions, including tinnitus. Some herbs that may provide relief from tinnitus include ginkgo biloba, ginger, and turmeric. These herbs have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. Before trying any herbal remedies, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safety and proper dosage. In this video, we have explored the top natural remedies for tinnitus relief. Remember, everyone's experience with tinnitus is unique, so it may take some trial and error to find the right combination of remedies that work for you. Be patient and persistent in your search for relief. Try incorporating these natural remedies into your lifestyle and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Don't let tinnitus take control of your life. Take action and reclaim your peace of mind.